Hey guys, welcome back. So after trying all the comp tracks, and then I end up complaining about the lack of power or the cars being street cars and not set up for it, thought it was time to finally jump into a competition car. So we're going to give the VDC cars a go. So I'm going to start out with the AE86 with the 2J. So this has 1,113 horsepower, which is the most of any car I've driven. 1,232 newton meters at 1224 kgs, and it talks about, so it's a sequential, so I've swapped my shifter over to be a sequential, and it uses WiseFab steering geometry. So with that, let's jump in. So in the 8.6, the 2J, so it's weird using a sequential. I'm very much used to H patterns, but I wanted to change it over for this car. So I wanted to give Queensland Raceway a go, because I would struggle with turn 1 here. Just try a nice easy entry. Oh. Still not used to these cars. So I have tried to drive these cars before. And was terrible at it, so definitely kind of improved, because I can at least make it around, whereas before I would on the dirt. On other tracks I've tried, I'll just end up, well, not even making it around. And I think what's changed is I'm a lot more comfortable using high gears, whereas in the beginning I was always using kind of second gear. Oh, turns out those cones are hard as well. Let's just go for a reset. So not a great start, but these cars drive a bit different, and using the sequentials really thrown me as well. Alright, we'll just go gear again. Try and get it out. Actually, yeah, this corner tightens up. Took it out in third to the outer zone, out of clip. Obviously these cars have a lot of power. Am I in third? Oh no, fourth. Hold fourth. Oh. Got it. That was almost bad. Yeah, these drive a bit different. Hold fourth. Definitely notice, the fact they have a lot more power. Ah, didn't work. So assuming that's miles per hour. And they snap back a lot more when you don't. You come off the throttle. But it should be good for comp tracks. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, we'll try one more lap on Queensland Raceway. Some speed. Handbrake. Fourth gear. Ah, really wanted to get that spot. Yep, went on the grass on purpose to park it up. Gonna get this car go on the Kuno strip track. Alright, we're back on the Kuno strip track. I know this is not what these cars would be designed for, a tight little track, but it's just the track I know the best and comfortable with the most, so the first thing I noticed about this car, obviously with a lot of power, they snap out really quickly under power, but they seem to kind of stop. It's like they snap to angle and then kind of stay there. At least that's what it feels like. So if you just kick it out, it just gets there and then kind of stops. I don't know if that's just a grip of the tires thing or a... Oh, really not doing well. And the sequential's still throwing me. Maybe I'll do better on the outside where they open up a bit more. Out to the tires, so we'll try 4. Let it back up in the revs. Nope. So there's no real reason I decided on the 8.6. I just kind of like Toyotas. So I went with the 8.6. Just spinning a lot. Definitely a lot harder to drive than the Swarm cars. Just a lot more power on tap. Just rotates. Ah, no. Could even keep that slide going. Definitely just want a bit more practice on these, but I think they'll be a lot better on the comp tracks because they'll have the power. Especially like last week on the Drift Masters track, that kind of straight section, just trying to hold a bit of angle to keep the car in a slide. Should be easier than with the Swarm cars. Yes, I've had a couple goes in this car just to try and get a bit familiar with it, but as you can see I still need a fair bit more practice. I can start to get it after a while. We on the grass, it's fine. See if I can... Alright, can I do a back in? It's going to be the big question. 4. Not a backy, but... Oh, where's my steering wheel pointing? Is that forward? Yep. Not a backy, but... Well... Didn't keep it going, but definitely threw the car in. Oh, I thought it was any of those tires. So yeah, if you have any recommendations for the VDC cars, let me know, because I don't really know what I'm trying here. Just went with the A86 because I like them. Oh, very messy. I'm still going to keep going with the swarm cars because I definitely just like the street car style as well. But definitely want to practice on these for comp tracks. Alright, last backy, see if we can get it this time. Looped it. It's closer though. Yeah, these cars are definitely different to drive, a lot more power. I did think I read that it had NOS in there because they do feel like they have a very wide torque band. So I think that's around, I can't read the numbers. But yeah, definitely starts to come on power early, has a pretty wide power band. And back here, so I'll try one more time. I think my last one's going to be my best attempt though, but just fell out of power band, but couldn't quite keep it going. So yeah, definitely want to try some more VDC cars and try and get used to these a bit more. Definitely just try them probably on the comp tracks and keep the swarm cars for you know, other tracks and tighter circuits. But these are good, they drive different. They're still a lot of fun. And that's something I keep forgetting about these cars is the fuel usage. So I had to put it up to 25 litres and I got 7 left. So these do run out of fuel. With that, thanks for watching guys.